let's discuss the importance of using less seasoning when cooking. Most of us tend to over-season our food without realizing the impact it can have on our health. When we use too much seasoning, it masks the natural flavors of the food we're cooking. This makes it difficult to fully appreciate the taste of the ingredients. By using less seasoning, we can enjoy the natural taste of the food. Excessive seasoning can lead to an intake of high sodium, which can increase blood pressure. High blood pressure can lead to serious health problems like heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. By using less seasoning, we can maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Eating too much seasoning can cause digestive issues like bloating, gas, and stomach pain. It can also irritate the digestive system, leading to heartburn and acid reflux. Using less seasoning can help prevent these issues. Seasoning can add calories to our food, which can lead to weight gain if consumed in excess. By using less seasoning, we can reduce our calorie intake, making it easier to manage our weight. There are many ways to enhance the natural flavor of food without over-seasoning. Using fresh herbs, spices, and citrus fruits can add flavor without adding excess sodium. Experimenting with different flavors can help us find the right balance of seasoning for our taste. In conclusion, it's important to use less seasoning when cooking to fully appreciate the natural flavors of food and maintain good health. So, let's start exploring new ways to season our food and find the perfect balance of flavor. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more wisdom of this channel.